Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Copy.ai in the best way. So if you don't know what is this Copy.ai, all you have to do first is go to any web browser and then type Copy.ai and then select the very first link that you can see here. Now to start, of course, you need to create an account. So you can tap on the login option right here. And then here you will see this sign up option. So if you don't have an account yet, you need to tap on sign up. You can sign up with your first name, last name, email address, and you can also sign up using your Google account or Microsoft. So tap on continue with Google. Wait for a couple of seconds. You can answer the following here, like what kind of work you do, and then other questions like where do you want to start. But you could also skip this question if you want. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just skip the question and proceed directly to our main point. So once you're here on your Copy.ai dashboard, what you're going to do is tap on the Create New. You have three options here: Workflow, Chat, and Folder. So what you're going to do is you have to tap on Chat. For step 2, you need to be very specific with prompts. So in order for you to create a or use Copy AI in the best way, you can just choose from any of this. But for now, for the meantime, I'm going to use chat. So you can see here real-time search if you want to summarize some blog articles, a long form content if you want to create a long articles or blog. Okay, brainstorm ideas if you want to generate captions and whatever product description that you want. So what you're going to do here, step 2, is you must be very specific with prompts. So the more clear and detailed your prompt is, the better the result here in Copy AI or Copy.ai. So what you're going to do is you have to basically enter the prompt. So for example, help me create a content calendar for my fitness blog for the next 30 days. Or let's just say, okay, this one rather. Write a 1,000 word article on how to improve emotional intelligence at work. So here you can add more information about the format you want. Is it article, email, caption? You can add here, for example, article. Let's just say for the tone, is it friendly, professional, or weak? I have added professional. For the audience, is it busy moms, startup, or founders? So I have added here startup. You can also add spaces right here. And then any structure or key points you want to add, just add right here, okay? So after that, what you're going to do is tap on this or press enter. Now, Copy.ai also has this built-in template. So if you're using the upgraded version, probably you will see here templates for blog post wizard, product descriptions, email generator, Instagram captions, and business name generator. You just have to explore everything here. But for the meantime, I cannot see them because I'm using the basic version. And here is the result. So as you can see, it's very amazing. Another thing, you only have 2,000 words available if you're using the basic version. If you want to use more, then upgrade your plan. So this is the result. And actually, once you have the result right here, feel free to repurpose content across platforms. So you can also, or one of the best ways to use Copy AI is to repurpose one idea into many formats, such as from a single article, ask the AI to create a LinkedIn post, a tweet thread, a YouTube video script, a newsletter, teaser, or Instagram captions. You can also say like, turn this script into, let's just say, turn the script into a LinkedIn carousel post with a bold hook. You can do that. Copy AI will give you the best result too. Okay, for number 6 or step 6, stay organized with projects and save work. So all you have to do is copy this all, organize your content into projects, save, edit, and copy any piece, collaborate with the team if you are on a pro plan, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.